Breathing. It's something we do every minute of every day, often without even thinking about it. It keeps us alive by delivering oxygen to our bodies and removing carbon dioxide waste. But sometimes this crucial system can be interrupted by something called a respiratory infection. Let's imagine you're sitting in a classroom full of your classmates. One of them has a cold and sneezes, forgetting to cover their mouth and nose. Tiny droplets of saliva and mucus are released into the air, containing lots of microscopic germs. When these droplets are breathed in, they can find their way into another person's respiratory system. That's the part of our body that helps us breathe. Respiratory infections are illnesses caused by germs like bacteria and viruses that sneak into our respiratory system. These include common colds, flu, bronchitis, and even pneumonia. When these germs invade, our body has to work extra hard to fight them off and stay healthy. Let's take a closer look at how this works. Our respiratory system is a bit like a tree, with your trachea being the trunk. It splits into two branches called bronchi, leading into your lungs. Inside the lungs, there are even smaller branches that carry air to tiny air sacs where oxygen enters the blood. It's a busy highway where air gets transported nonstop. When germs cause an infection, your body's immune system jumps into action. Imagine it sending an emergency rescue team to the infected area. Symptoms like a runny nose, sore throat, or cough are all part of your body's way of kicking out those annoying germs. Fever might come too. It's your internal heater raising the temperature to make it less comfy for germs to live. Colds are the most common respiratory infections and are usually caused by viruses. Colds might last a few days to more than a week, but eventually your immune system will send the germs packing. The flu, short for influenza, is more like a nasty cold but with body aches, tiredness, and more serious symptoms. That's why flu vaccines are so important, helping our bodies prepare for battle. But how can we keep these pesky infections away? Our best defense is good hygiene practices. Washing hands often, using tissues when sneezing or coughing, and staying away from sick people can help keep infections at bay. Eating healthily, getting enough sleep, and staying active boost your immune system, your body's personal set of superheroes. In some cases, respiratory infections can become serious, especially in people with weak immune systems or those with existing health problems. That's why it's essential to take care of ourselves and see a doctor if symptoms are severe or don't go away. So next time someone sneezes, don't forget to say "bless you" and make sure to cover your own nose and mouth if you're feeling under the weather. Protecting our precious respiratory system keeps us healthy so we can breathe easy every day.